In summary, be honest about yourself, about your desires, and about who you are. Don't just say, I don't have time. Don't make something up. Or if you are going to make something up to somebody else, be honest with yourself. Set yourself goals, big goals, and then the smaller goals so you can reach there. But on your quest to reach those goals, overcome fear of failure, overcome perfectionism, overcome the things that hold you back by simply aiming for excellence. And that is not just the task itself, but all the things that go into that task. Identify the wastage. Identify things that waste your time, reasons, strategies. Remember, your goal is to keep going because you need to reach that. That goal is for you. Minimize distractions. Be aware of them, preempt them, deal with them. Try the techniques that we've used. Try the techniques I've suggested. Today's Pomodoro, urgent, important, your calendar, remembering that no is a complete sentence. Always do things that make you feel great. Because when you feel great, that moves you from knowing you ought to do it to actually feeling good and strong enough to do it. And remember that things like change, especially after years of habit, will take time. They will take practice. They will take effort, but they are worth it. And remember that when it comes to life, you are actually at the start of a very long game. Why rush?